All right. I want to clarify a doubt backward. I hope there are some people at least who tried all the questions in mains material, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So last 4 questions. Anybody any doubts? (13, 12, 11, 10). Anybody any doubts? Okay, no doubts. Okay, 9, 8, 7, 6. Anybody any doubts? Okay, numerical 5 questions. Anybody any doubts? 1 to 5. No. Okay, 104 or 103. Any doubt? One not one or 102. Any doubt? Okay, 98, 99, 100.
Sir, 98.
98. Okay. Okay, 98. They gave a parabola and a line. Okay. Out of all the points, what is the closest distance? Whenever you have P is a variable point on one curve, Q is a variable point on another curve, the least value of PQ or the maximum value of PQ will happen at common normal. We know that. Okay. So in calculus first year we studied. Okay, so this should be normal to both the curves. So that means at this point the tangent should be parallel to this line. Okay, so simply the slope is 3, find derivative and equate it. So dy by dx equal to 3, that is 2x plus 7 equal to 3, 2x equal to minus 4 and x equal to minus 2. Now, if you put x equal to minus 2, this y coordinate will come 4 plus 2, 6, minus 14, minus 8. Slope is 3 is positive. How did I get? It's okay, not a problem. Minus 2, minus 8, is it correct? 4 plus 2, 6, 6 minus 14, minus 8. Okay, fine. Now, from this point, you find distance, you will get that value. This is 3x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Mod 3 into minus 2 plus 8 plus 3 by root over 3 square plus 1 square. Minus 6 plus 3 minus 3, 5 by root 10. That is root over 5 by 2. Is it okay? 98? Overhead doubt?
Yes, sir.
Oh, they wanted only that point, option B. Okay. Any other doubts in these 3 questions? 100. Okay. It's a vertical parabola. You have to find its vertex. Okay. I can make perfect square and find vertex that way, or I can even use calculus because it is a vertical parabola. At the point, the derivative will be 0. So y equal to a cube by 3 x square plus a square x by 2 minus 2a. Okay. When I find derivative dy by dx and equate it to 0, It is a cube by 3 into 2x plus a square by 2 equal to 0. From this, I'll get x as minus a square by 2 by 2a cube by 3. It is minus 3 by 4a. Okay. So x coordinate is minus 3 by 4a. Substitute it here, you will get y coordinate. So anyway, it's okay. A cube by 3. This is some 9 by 16 a square plus a square by 2 into minus 3 by 4a minus 2a. When I simplify this, I'm not sure, for some maybe 35a by 16, something like this will come. Okay. I'm not sure about y coordinate, but whatever it is, this is a vertex. So somebody says, why are you using calculus at this point? At this point, the tangent is horizontal, derivative is 0. That's how I got x coordinate. Somebody doesn't like that, take a cube by 3, make proper perfect square. It will come finally in the form of x minus h whole square equal to something into y minus k. From that also will get vertex. Now how to eliminate a is very easily. Multiply these two, directly a will get cancelled because as a changes, the vertex will change. Oh, sorry. This is some 105 by 64. I may be wrong with y coordinate, then answer may change. Okay. Is it all right? 100. Whoever has doubt.
Yes.
Okay. So you already done. What is the y coordinate you got? Anybody? Why nobody is responding? Anybody got the 100? Then I want to know what is the y coordinate there.
Sir, I got x equal to minus 3 by 4a, y is minus 35 by 16.
Minus 35a by 16. Same thing that I wrote.
Yes, sir.
Hemant Karthika, you tried all these questions?
The numericals I didn't try, sir.
Okay. Why so many days? Okay, 96 or 97, any doubt? This one. Okay, 96, 97, no doubt. Okay. Any doubt about 93 or 94, 95, anybody? (91) or 92? Okay, total parabola chapter. Anybody any doubt? Just showing everything. Anybody any doubts? Just tell the number.
Sir, 78.
70. Locus of poles of the chords of parabola which are at a distance 2 units from the focus. Okay, I can write it on the board, otherwise simple thing to write. You take that point as x1, y1, find polar s1 equal to 0, you'll get a line. From 2, 0, the perpendicular distance to that line should be equal to 2 units.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Any other doubt? Anybody? Any number?
71.
71. Is it 71?
Yes.
Okay. If a normal subtends right angle at the vertex. Okay, we have a parabola and we draw the normal there. If this is T1 and this is T2, it should subtend 90 degrees at the vertex. If something is subtend 90 degrees at the vertex, we know T1, T2 equal to minus 4 because this slope is 2 by T1, this slope is 2 by T2 and product of the slopes is minus 1. But in the place of T2, I can write minus T1 minus 2 by T1. Now this is minus T1 square minus 2 equal to minus 4. T1 square equal to 2. T1 equal to plus or minus root 2. If T1 is root 2, the corresponding T2 will be, based on this formula, minus 2 root 2. Minus T1 minus 2 by T1 minus root 2 minus root 2 is minus 2 root 2. Now, what is that we want? The distance, so root 2, this is 2a comma, it is become 2a, 2 root 2a. And this is 8a comma minus 4 root 2a. Okay, when I find distance between them, it is root over 6a whole square plus 6 root 2a whole square, which is 6a root 3. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt, anybody? Any number, please feel free. Okay, that's it. Everybody doubts are clear? All right, then why to waste time? We'll go to advanced material. Okay, I think ninth question we completed yesterday last. Okay, 11th is a very easy question, but anyway, we are doing an order, so let us finish it. As I said, I discussed formulas of the parabola, proofs, and on each formula I done some questions. And but you have to practice a lot of questions, even though their formulas are small, simple formulas. You have to just practice a lot of questions so that you will know quickly which formula to be used and you will remember the formulas. Otherwise, for the namesake, lesson is over, but you don't remember anything. Okay, a circle and parabola intersecting at 4 points. We already know some of the y coordinates is 0. Okay, it's okay, we'll do it. X coordinates we cannot tell. X coordinate sum cannot be 0 because the parabola is like this, circle like this. Okay, let's stop sharing. Yeah, when a parabola and circle are intersecting at 4 points, all are on the right side. Their x coordinate sum cannot be 0. Y coordinate sum can be 0. But in x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Y square equal to 4ax. In the place of x, I can write y square by 4a. Put that back. You will get y square by 4a whole square plus y square plus 2g into y square by 4a plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. When I multiply 16 a square, I'll get y power 4 plus 16 a square y square plus 8 ag y square plus 8 fay plus 4. No, I multiply 16 a square. So 32 a square fy plus 16 a square c equal to 0. So this is a fourth degree equation. Y cube is missing. So y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 is 0. In fact, I would have done in terms of 80 square comma 280 so that I can even find out x, but it's y1 into y2 into y3 into y4 is 16 a square c. The constant will give you by this. And if y cube would have been there, that coefficient with a minus by this would have given some, but it is 0. From this, it is possible to find x1, x2, x3, x4 because x can be written as y square by 4a, y1 square by 4a, y2 square by 4a, y3 square by 4a, and y4 square by 4a. That is y1, y2, y3, y4 whole square. That is 16 a square c whole square by 16 a square whole square. 16 a square can be cancelled. I think it is only c square. If you do in terms of T1, I think T1, T2, T3, T4 will come C and or something like that. Okay, but sum of the x coordinates is definitely not 0. So we got out of the 4, 3 options. So we got option D, option C and A, but not B. Is it okay? 11th question?
Yes.
Please respond. Okay. Okay. 13. From an external point, we don't have any formula like root s11 in parabola. Then how do you find length of tangent from an external point? You have to really find where it is touching, the point of contact, and then really use distance formula. So those who completed 11, please try 13. Please turn on your videos. Everybody video is off. Please turn on your videos. Next up to which questions you tried in parabola mains material?
Sir, numericals are left.
Okay. Praneeth, up to which question you tried in parabola mains material?
Numericals are left, sir.
Okay. Samskriti Raut?
Sir, few questions are left in the numericals.
Okay. Pradeep Kumar? Parabola mains material up till where you tried?
Numericals are left, sir. Last few questions.
Okay. Udayalakshmi, you might have completed, right?
No, sir. Single
Till where
option
you?
is few left and new.
Okay. Okay, there are two ways to do this. Basically, from an external point, you are drawing two tangents. How to find those points? Somebody can find the chord of contact. S1 equal to 0. Right? And that line and parabola is solved. But we know something about parametric form, so I'm not doing that way. I'll take this as T1, this as T2. I can equate this point to AT1, T2, comma into T1 plus T2. T1 into T2 should be 2, T1 plus T2 should be 3. Product of two numbers is 2, their sum is 3, means they are 1 and 2. Like that you can understand. Or any one of these points, if you take 80 square comma 280, the general tangent formula is x minus ty plus 80 square equal to 0. Okay. What the tangent should do, should pass to 2a comma 3a. And when you solve it, you are getting same t values. So we got t value 1 here, 2 here. We got the points. Once you know these 2 points, you find distance between them. These 2 points, you find distance between them. But we don't have directly any formula for length of tangent like circle in parabola. Is it okay, 13? Okay. Okay, 15, just to check for each option, whether you can use C equal to A by M or AM square equal to Ln. If you don't remember any formula, try to solve the line and curve, you'll get a quadratic question, root should be equal. Y square equal to 4ax. If you want y equal to mx plus cb2 and tangent, condition is c equal to a by. If you want to use lx plus my plus n equal to 0, a m square equal to ln. You can verify anything. If I want to use this for the first one, x minus y plus 2 equal to 0, a value is 2. 2 into minus 1 whole square equal to 1 into 2. Correct. For second line, x plus 3y plus 12. 2 into 3 whole square equal to 1 into 12. That's not right. X plus 2y plus 8. 2 into 2 whole square equal to 1 into 8. That's right. And 9x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. 2 into minus 3 whole square equal to 9 into 2 is also right. Okay, so I'm using this condition, but if somebody wants, they can use this condition. But every time you have to find what is m, what is c. This means as it is, x coefficient is L, y coefficient is m, constant is n, second this. So all these are satisfying, but this one is not satisfying. Is it okay? 15th one. Whenever this meeting ends, so you don't have to rejoin. 1 or 2 minutes may be left, but when meeting ends, class is over. Is it all right?
Yes.
Okay. Parabola and the circle having its center 6,5 intersect at right angle. Oh. Possible point of intersection of these curves where they are orthogonal. Okay. A parabola and a circle are intersecting each other orthogonally. Orthogonally, whenever two curves are orthogonal, means at the point of intersection, tangent should be perpendicular. So this line should be tangent to circle, normal to parabola. This line should be tangent to parabola, normal to circle, which passes center. Okay. So now, basically, at 80 square, 280, the tangent should pass to 6, 5. Parabola is y square equal to 4x. How much time do you have actually to calculate? You can have 6 more minutes. Okay, so I want to take this point as 80 square, 280. Then equation of tangent is x minus ty plus 80 square equal to 0. We should pass to 6, 5. So 6 minus 5t plus a is 1, t square equal to 0. T square minus 5t plus 6 equal to 0. T minus 3 into t minus 2 equal to 0. Because there can be another circle also, because not circle on the right side, there is this on the right side. The circle can be like this, intersecting here orthogonally, and 6, 5 is this side. Because through 6, 5 there will be two tangents, na? Okay, so there will be two circles, one on this side, one on this side. So if you want, you can draw two tangents through 6, 5. You can take this as a center, this as a radius, and draw a circle. Or you can take this as the center, this as the radius, and draw a circle. So one on this side, one on this side. So t equal to 2 or 3. That's it. So instead of directly asking from 6, 5, two tangents are done where they are touching, they're saying a circle and a parabola are intersecting orthogonally. What is that point of intersection can be? Basically, it is from 6, 5, draw a tangent wherever it is touching. So 2 means 2 square comma 2 into 2. This is 3 square comma 2 into 3. 4 comma 4 and 9 comma 6. Is it okay? 17, everybody? Somewhere in main method also let me came across. This one is always tangent to this parabola, whatever theta it is, the normal. Y equal to x minus 11 into cos theta minus cos 3 theta. X cos theta minus 11 cos theta. This is 4 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta. Okay, so y equal to x cos theta. This is minus 8 cos theta minus 4 cos cube theta. Does it look like y equal to mx? Minus am cube minus 2am. Yes. Minus 4 cos cube theta minus 2am. Am cube, yeah, 2a is 8. Looks like y equal to mx minus am cube minus 2am, where that a is 4. Okay, so y square equal to 16x or 4 into 4 into x. This is always normal to this. We don't have to find theta. This is always. Is everybody clear about both 17 and 19?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, those are completed. You can try 21. For a line to be normal, we don't have a condition. We can derive it if we want to, but simply convert it to y equal to mx plus c and make sure c is equal to minus am cube minus 2am. Okay, if this meeting ends, then we'll meet tomorrow. Before I forget, everybody has to submit parabola And I'll put a message in the group. You have to submit in class club and what to submit, when to submit. I'll put. But by today evening, everybody should complete Parabola mains material. If anybody backlogs are there, those who completed should do advanced material, even numbers.